Professionals of the Nigerian building industry. This video will focus on professionals of the Nigeria's building industry. It will also attempt to define the roles of these professionals. Professionals in the building industry play an important role in building and infrastructure design, construction, and maintenance. The National Building Code 2006 recognizes 7 professions that make up Nigeria's building industry and from which professionals emerge. The professions include architecture, building, engineering, urban and regional planning, estate surveying and valuation, quantity surveying, land surveying. Architects. An architect is a professional who plans, designs, and supervises the construction of buildings. They are responsible for creating spaces that are functional, safe, and visually appealing. The design process for a building often begins with the architect meeting with the client to discuss their requirements. The architect will then create a conceptual design, which is essentially a rough drawing of the structure. Once the client has accepted the conceptual design, the architect will produce more comprehensive drawings and blueprints. These drawings will depict the proportions of the structure, the materials to be utilized, and the arrangement of the areas. Builders. The Council of Registered Builders of Nigeria (Corbin) defines a builder as a person who has received an approved standard of professional training in practice in building and is found competent after a thorough examination, and whose name is entered into the Council of Registered Builders of Nigeria (Corbin) register. A builder's primary responsibility is management of the execution of building works, including the supervision of artisans and tradesmen. The builder is responsible for creating construction papers, such as the construction program, project quality management plan, and project health and safety plan. Engineers. Engineers are responsible for the structural integrity of buildings. They design and calculate the loads that can be supported by buildings, as well as the foundations and other structural components. Engineers also help with the design and installation of mechanical and electrical systems in buildings. Mechanical, electrical, structural, and fire protection engineers are among the engineers who operate in the building industry. Town planners. Town planners, sometimes known as planners, are in charge of creating and executing land use and development plans. They collaborate with government agencies, industry, and communities to achieve long-term development that fits people's needs. Planners employ a number of tools and approaches to plan development, such as zoning, transportation planning, and environmental impact assessments. Town planners are specialists that work to build and maintain the built environment. Estate surveyors and valuers. Estate surveyors and valuers (ESVs) are professionals who are trained in the valuation of land and buildings, as well as the management of real estate. They play an important role in the real estate industry, providing advice and services to clients on a wide range of matters, such as property investment, development, and taxation. ESVs are also involved in the resolution of land disputes and the provision of expert testimony in court. Quantity surveyors. Quantity surveyors are construction professionals who specialize in estimating, managing, and controlling costs. They work with clients, architects, and contractors to ensure that construction projects are completed on time and within budget. Quantity surveyors use their knowledge of construction materials, labor rates, and project management techniques to provide accurate cost estimates and to identify and mitigate risks. They also play a key role in contract negotiations and dispute resolution. Surveyors. Surveyors are professionals who measure and map the physical features of land, properties, and construction sites. They use advanced equipment and techniques to accurately determine boundaries, dimensions, elevations, and other spatial information. Surveyors play an important role in various industries, including real estate, construction, infrastructure development, and environmental management.